What's up, everyone? So the other day I went to leave my house to take my mother-in-law to Dallas Airport, and my car started doing this. So it's shaking a bit. It's it sounds like it's doing something weird. And here, let me turn the mic around, actually. I was super bummed. We ended up having to take my brother's car out there and inconvenience him for a while. But it was fine. At least I had someone to drive with me back from Dallas. It's like a 2-hour drive. Unimportant. So I finally got to the car today. I thought it was a ignition coil pack, because I've had to replace 2 of those in the past in the life of the car, which I've had it 13 years, 14 years, 2005, it's 2018. I'm bad at math. And so I thought it was that, but maybe it was the timing chain, maybe it was a bunch of other things. So I pulled out my little obdII reader thing that I got from Amazon that works like half the time, got it to work, and it was saying that it was misfiring. So I'm like, okay, good, thank God it's misfire. If it was this truck and it was misfiring, I would be a little bit more panicky, but that's a easy fix if it's the ignition coil pack. So it was saying it was misfiring on cylinder 2. And so I popped in here. Let me turn this around. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pop the hood, and I'm going to remove these 4 nuts here, or 3 in my case, because I lost that one a while ago. Okay, this is the top here. You have your fuel injectors down here, your ignition coils up here, and your spark plugs underneath all of these. The cylinder firing order is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's saying it's misfiring on cylinder 2. So I'm going to remove coil pack number 2, and I'm going to switch it over to number 1. And if the problem follows, then I know it is the coil pack and not the spark plug or something else. But I'm almost certain it's this. Cool. I'm going to fire it back up. So I'm going to keep this weird angle here while it's mounted to the front bumper. Yeah, so I checked the obdII reader, and it says that it is now misfiring on cylinder 1, so I know the problem followed it over with the coil packs. Yay, because that's a super easy fix, as you just saw me fix. I'm going to run down to Zelensky's Auto Parts and grab a new coil pack. They're about $100 or so, and it'll take me 5 minutes to switch it out. And we'll try it out and see if it fixes the problem. Alright, so I just got back. I got a new, for this one is a Duralast coil pack. And actually, let's fire it up. All right, good to go. And then lastly, I'm just going to disconnect the positive for 10 seconds, let that reset the ECU, or the computer, and then it will clear the codes, and we can run it for a test drive and make sure everything's peachy. So I just got back from my test drive. I went up down the street and up the highway and got it up to full speed and ran it for about 20 minutes or so. And yeah, fixed the problem. So if you have code, is it like P0300, something like that, yeah, engine misfire, or if it sounds like it's misfiring, that's one way that you can kind of figure out if that's what it is. And the sweet thing about Toyotas and Scions and stuff is I did the whole thing with a 10mm socket. all of it. So don't lose your 10 mil. Yeah, no idea what the like dealership would charge for that, but yeah, it cost me $100 or $90 and like 24 cents for a new ignition coil pack. I would highly not recommend going on Amazon and buying like the 4-pack for like $45. I did that once and it lasted me, I think, a month and a half. I ended up returning the whole box because like this is garbage, this is crap. So the one that I have in there is a Duralast, and 2 of the other ones are also Duralast. Nothing great or negative about Duralast. It just comes with a lifetime warranty. So if and or when it fails, I'm just gonna grab my little rewards card and run down there and be like, yo, give me a new one. So anyways, I hope this helps somebody out there with a Scion or XA, XB, maybe TC, Prius. This engine is in a lot of vehicles. Yeah, super easy fix. Took me about 10 minutes, and yeah, or 10 minutes once I figured out the problem. Yeah. All right, hope everyone is well and you're enjoying your time, your week. See y'all on the next video. Yeah.